Hello friends, welcome to the video. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Target Prelims 2022. Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the most important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment and current affairs. This Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. So Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target Prelims 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant and will sail you through UPSC CSE exam very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs based on basic science and environment. So the first question is regarding carbon credits, which one of the following statements is not correct? Option A, the carbon credit system was ratified in conjunction with the Kyoto Protocol. B, carbon credits are awarded to countries or groups that have reduced greenhouse gases below their emission quota. Option C, the goal of the carbon credit system is to limit the increase of carbon dioxide emission. Option D, carbon credits are traded at a price fixed from time to time by the United Nations Environment Program. So you can write your answer in the comment section. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option D. So under the Kyoto Protocol, the caps or quotas for greenhouse gases for the developed Annex 1 countries are known as assigned amounts and are listed in Annex B. The quantity of the initial assigned amount is denominated in individual units called assigned amount units, each of which represents an allowance to emit 1 metric ton of carbon dioxide equivalent, and these are entered into the country's national registry. So you must be aware of what is a carbon credit system and what is Kyoto Protocol and what is the convention related to Kyoto Protocol and what is 1992 convention that is related to environment and biodiversity. What are the other conventions that are important for environment for particularly prelims perspective, and what is the goal of or objective of Kyoto Protocol, and about greenhouse gases also, which gases are known as greenhouse gases, and likewise you can read additional topics also. In this way you can cover these topic holistically. So this was all about question number first. Now let us discuss question number second. With reference to bio toilets used by the Indian Railways, consider the following statements. First, the decomposition of human waste in the bio toilets is initiated by a fungal inoculum. Second, ammonia and water vapor are the only end products in this decomposition which are released into the atmosphere. So, which of the statements given above is or are correct? Option A, one only. Option B, two only. Option C, both one and two. Option D, neither one nor two. So, you can write down your answer in the comment section. So, the answer of this question is option D, neither one nor two. So, the bio toilets are fitted underneath the laboratories, and the human waste discharged into them is acted upon by a particular kind of bacteria that converts it into carbon dioxide. So, carbon dioxide, methane, and non corrosive neutral water. The new age toilets have been designed by railways along with Defense Research and Development Organization, which is also known as DRDO, keeping in mind the requirements of Indian trains. So you should know the ingredients or the raw material which is used in decomposing the matters that is in toilets, that by toilets, that was developed by railway ministry. And you should also know about bacterial decomposition, the process that is used by the bacteria in decomposing the materials. So you should also have knowledge about that. So this was all about question number second. So now let us discuss question number third. In the cities of our country, which among the following atmospheric gases are normally considered in calculating the value of air quality index? First, carbon dioxide; second, carbon monoxide; third, nitrogen dioxide; fourth, sulfur dioxide; fifth, methane. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A 1, 2 and 3 only. Option B 2, 3 and 4 only. Option C 1, 4 and 5 only. Option D 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the correct answer of this question is option B 2, 3 and 4 only. So the air quality index level is based on the level of 8 atmospheric pollutants, namely sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, suspended particulates smaller than 10 micrometers in aerodynamic diameter, suspended particulates smaller than 2.5 micrometer in aerodynamic diameter, NH3, lead, carbon monoxide, ozone, measured at the monitoring stations throughout. So by elimination, we are left with option number B. So you should know the gases which is considered in different indexes other than air quality index. So UPSC has already asked question on different index also, so you can refer that also. So this was all about question number third. Now let us discuss question number four. Net metering is sometimes seen in the news in the context of promoting the option A production and use of solar energy by the household or consumers. Option B use of piped natural gas in the kitchens of households. Option C installation of CNG kits in motor cars. Option D installation of water meters in urban households. So you can write your answer in the comment section. So the correct answer of this question is option A, a production and use of solar energy by the households or consumers. So a net metering is a billing mechanism that credits solar energy system owners for the electricity they add to the grid. Net metering allows residential and commercial customers who generate their own electricity from solar power to feed electricity they do not use back into the grid. Under net metering system, customer installs a solar or wind power plant on his premise, gets it grid connected with the electricity distribution company such as Discom. So hence option number A is the apt answer. So the keywords which are in the news nowadays, so you should know the meaning of those keywords. So this can come in upcoming prelims examination. So this keyword net metering was back in the news, and this was asked by UPSC in its prelims examination in 2015 or 16. So you can check about that. So in this way you can prepare the important keywords which is mentioned in newspapers. So let us now discuss question number 5. Which one of the following is associated with the issue of control and phasing out of the use of ozone depleting substance? Option A Bretton Woods Conference. Option B Montreal Protocol. Option C Kyoto Protocol. Option D Nagoya Protocol. So you can write down your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option B Montreal Protocol. So the Montreal Protocol is an international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer by phasing out the production of numerous substances that are responsible for ozone depletion. So actually the topic of ozone depletion, ozone layer depletion is extremely important for UPSC prelims exam point of view. Likewise, greenhouse effect and global warming is also very important. So this topic is also important for mains examination, so you can read about that as well. And you should know about Bretton Woods Conference, Kyoto Protocol, and Nagoya Protocol. And parallelly you can read about genetically modified crops, which is somewhat related to Nagoya Protocol, GM foods, GM crops. So this was all about question number 5. So, and about this video also, so you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.